Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Muddu Sudhakar. He is the CEO and founder at Aisera. Muddu, it is wonderful to see you again. Thanks for joining me.
Judy, thank you for having me. Good to see you again.
So, Muddu, tell me, what are your thoughts on the current market conditions in the AI space, and how is Aisera positioned to navigate them?
Very good. Lots happening in the AI space. You saw recently with NVIDIA, Jensen, the CEO of NVIDIA, making announcement, I think, month of March. And last week we were at ServiceNow event. And today, Microsoft with Satya announcing a lot at Microsoft Build on Copilot. So market is evolving so much in Gen AI space. Every month there's something new. And what at Aisera we really position is we are the ChatGPT and AI search for enterprise. So the new thing right now, this 2024 is all about AI referring to enterprise, right? How enterprises can use ChatGPT and AI search to do it in a secure way without data leakage, without data being lost, and doing in enterprise data that's behind the firewalls. That's the biggest trend that's happening right now in the AI space.
And what growth have you seen over the last year?
See, for Aisera, we've been very fortunate and we're lucky. So it's thanks to all the customers, partners, and employees. We've been growing more than 100% in last 12 months. We have added so many new customers. We are landing multiple large deals. So we are very fortunate to get customers that starting from companies like Cisco, Workday, Gap. We have customers like Gilead, Amgen. So we get so many new customers adding every year, every quarter. The growth has been fantastic.
Now, GPU usage is skyrocketing, leading to more and more energy use every year. How has Aisera helped combat these issues?
So what Aisera has done is we have done a very interesting architecture. We call this one agentic inference architecture. It's a hierarchical agentic architecture in the sense, the way in which we do it is we separated the foundation models, domain-specific LLMs, and task models. Our secret sauce is in the domain-specific LLMs in our hierarchical agentic architecture. By doing that, what happens is for every training and in inferencing, we don't need to always go use that much compute and NVIDIA. So we created a very good architecture that requires a very cost-efficient compute and GPUs. By doing that, we can scale almost 10x lower cost compared to the other competitors.
Now, how do you see generative AI advancements impacting the industry, and what investments is Aisera making to stay at the forefront of this trend?
As I said, the biggest trends right now in Gen AI is first is in the areas of document generation, workflow generation, software generation. Software is such a key to everything. So people are using us to do code generation, Python code generation, document generation. They're also using us to do something interesting called multimodal. What we used to use as a chat, I think going forward you will see avatar-driven interaction. So Judy, you and me will be talking to an avatar. It'll be audio in, audio out. It'll be video in, video out. So multimodal interface is going to happen. So the market is evolving so much. I don't think anybody has an oracle to predict where it'll be there. I think we are still in the first innings of the AI race. It's going to take at least 10, 15 years, but every few months, so much new is happening. We just can't keep up with the demand as well as the changes in the technology.
Now, finally, Muddu, tell me, what sets you apart from your competitors, and what's your vision for the future?
Very good question. Lot sets us apart. Look, first is the whole thing starts with our company, our team, our employees, our architecture, our product. So I think having a customers who early on we signed up and they're giving us the feedback, and the partners we signed up, and our partners are Microsoft, AWS, Google, ServiceNow, Salesforce, Workday. We have like all these enormous good partners, including Cisco. So these guys are giving us a very good requirements, use cases, and this that sets us apart compared to our competitors. From a product perspective, we have a very unique architecture, right? As I said, our foundation model, how we sit with third-party foundation models, our domain-specific LLMs, our Gen AI platform, the way in which we have architected with agentic and inference, that gives us such a good leeway as we build our platform and the applications for years to come.
Well, Muddu, it's always wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Judy, pleasure to speak with you always. Thank you.